Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Nigeria News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notification when a story drops. See what happened to Singer Fireboy DML in Manchester during Lovers Day. Fireboy DML is one of the young artists making Nigeria proud in the international music industry, with a lot of hit songs to his credit. Recall that on 14th February, which is Lovers Day, Fireboy performed at the O2 Arena London at Jokes and Roses, hosted by ace comedian Basketmouth. It was reported that Fireboy thrilled over 20,000 audience with his hit songs in the show as audience kept yelling for more. However, after the show, Fireboy reportedly visited Manchester, where he reportedly posted on his Instagram page that the cold there was too much. Should we tell him the kind of heat we have experiencing here in Nigeria? Don't mind the stupid boy. If you know what's good for you, better remain there. The heat here is too much. You just die if you stay here too much. Just remain in that side and enjoy the cold. So guys, that's the news I got for you. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.